Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Bluetooth 4.0 plus device, Bluetooth and location enabled, and a target device in range. Next, decide the payload, pairing code, URL, or BLE advertisement data, because that determines encoding. Open a QR generator that supports Bluetooth payloads. Make sure it accepts Eddystone or BLE OOB formats. Once done, collect the target device name, MAC if required, and any PIN. This quick setup avoids backtracking and gets you ready. You now build the actual payload. First, pick the format: Bluetooth URL for simple links, BLE OOB for secure pairing, or Eddystone for beacon data. Each has different fields. Then input device name, MAC, or service UUIDs, and include a PIN if required. These fields control automatic pairing behavior. After entering values, encode and generate the QR image. Preview data to verify accuracy. Make sure to test by scanning with a second device to confirm the intended Bluetooth action occurs. You finish by exporting the QR as PNG or SVG and testing it across Android and iOS scanners to confirm behavior. If scanning is unreliable, increase error correction and enlarge the image. Make sure ambient lighting and camera focus are good. Once functional, deploy the code, print or display it. If pairing fails, check the PIN, app permissions, Bluetooth visibility, and that the device supports the chosen OOB or Eddystone format. Restart Bluetooth and retest to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.